Okay, so like I said, we hit our goals that we were shooting for. So I'm going to give a quick rundown of the giveaway knives for this week's prize. It's the Beavercraft Dune bushcraft knife. Take a look at it. It's got a leather dangler sheath. It's got a mirror polished, probably about a 5-6 inch blade roughly, maybe 5.5. It's got hardwood handles that are removable so you can clean out under them, make sure you don't get any rust in there. It's got a lanyard hole with a paracord lanyard on it. It's got a Scandi grind. And this is the same company that also makes BPS knives. So when you see Beavercraft and BPS, it's basically the same people. They're out of Ukraine. Yep, out of Ukraine. And they make some good stuff. I've used it, I've tried it out. And then we got the Boca Rusticas. I have another video up about it. This is the other giveaway knife, the companion to it, because I feel like as long as you have a good Scandi grind carbon steel belt knife, and then stainless or stain resistant high flat grind pocket knife, that covers most of your bases. So you can do your rough work and your woodwork and your stuff around camp, the heavy duty stuff with your big knife, and then the food prep and all that comes with that, the fine work with a smaller stainless knife like this Boca Rusticas. So I feel like that's a good combination to give back to the people that are subscribed and members of the group. And I really appreciate y'all helping us meet our goals. We cracked 75 subscribers and several thousand views. So we're just gonna keep pushing. The eventual goal is 1,000+ subscribers and to make content like this every week for y'all. So I appreciate y'all being here, and we'll be doing the drawing on Monday. So keep an eye out for it and stay tuned. Let's get this stuff outside and take a look. Okay, so it's the Dune from Beavercraft. It's got a very comfortable grip on it. Nice downward cant toward the back of it. Good Scandi grind. Let's put it through some wood. See how it does. All right. I mean, that is immediate splitting. Let's do some feather sticks real quick. See how it takes those. All right, if I can get them to stay on there. And there you can see the difference at where a Scandi grind excels at versus a high flat or something like that. It just, the curls are just much finer. So let's see if it'll scrape. Yeah, it did a little bit. Let's see what it'll do with a ferrule rod. Oh yeah, we got some sparks off of it. So that said, it's the Dune from Beavercraft. We're gonna clean this thing up, and when we do this giveaway, this is coming out to somebody, and it might just have an extra little smaller surprise to go with it. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, comment, interact. Appreciate y'all.